First of all, I congratulate Slovakian team with a great game.
Man ļoti žēl, ka mums neizdevās tas plāns, ko mēs bijām stādījuši pirms spēles.
I'm really sorry that we didn't make what we were planning before the game.
Jo mūsu uzdevums bija nezaudēt savu grozu.
Our aim was do not lose our
basket representation. Un otrs, netaisīt pret viņu agresīvo aizsardzību, netaisīt kļūdas.
And the other aim was do not make aggressive defense and do not make any mistakes.
Un abos šajos rādītājos viņas dabūja savus 18 atlecošās un atņēmuši 14 bumbas, kas ir faktiski salauz mūsu pretestī.
And in both those things, Slovakian team made 18 rebounds
and 14
steals.
Nu, žēl, bet katrā ziņā meitenes cīnījās, cik viņas varēja, un jāskatās uz priekšu. Tagad jau šī spēle ir vēsture, un mēs gatavosimies nākošajai spēlē.
It's sad, of course, but girls did do all they could do, and now we're looking forward to the next game and we'll do anything we can.
That game is history.
Okay, thank you. Comments from Kristīna?
Treneris jau viss pateica. Ļoti žēl, ka nesanāca viņam sagādāt dāvanu vārdienā, bet nav jānolaiž rokas un jāturpina cīnīties. Es domāju, ka mēs esam pierādījuši, ka mēs varam uzvarēt stipras komandas kā Čehija, un to arī mēģināsim darīt pret Spāniju.
Okay, trainer, head coach already said everything, and I can only add that it's sad that we didn't made a gift in his name day, but we already proved that we can win strong teams like Czech, and we're looking forward for success in the next games. Thank you then. Are there any questions in English? Yes, please.
Coach, the next game is against Spain. What do you think about Team Spain? What do you think is going to be the key for Latvia to win Spain in 2 days?
The Spain team is very good. They have a good offense and good defense, strong, and they have players with high experience. And we have to be ready for a hard game. And I trust for my players, and we do everything what we can, and we try to play better.
Thank you. Are there any more questions in English? Okay.